In an ever more connected world, having a strong personal brand is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a professional looking to excel in your career, cultivating your personal brand online can open doors to opportunities and establish your authority in your field. This comprehensive guide will show you how to stand out, connect with your audience, and build a brand that makes a lasting impact. So, in today's video, let's talk about exactly how to cultivate a personal brand online. Before we jump into the video, let's remind you, if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. So without further ado, let's get to today's video. Why a personal brand matters. In today's competitive landscape, a personal brand is your secret weapon for success. It's more than just an online persona. It's your professional identity, a blend of your skills, passions, and values, communicated in a way that resonates with others. A strong personal brand helps you stand out from the crowd. With so many voices online, a unique brand makes you memorable. Build credibility. People trust individuals who consistently deliver value and showcase expertise. Attract opportunities. Whether it's a new job, partnership, or audience growth, your brand draws like-minded individuals and potential collaborators. Investing in your personal brand is investing in your future. Define your unique value proposition. Every strong brand begins with clarity. To define your unique value proposition, UVP, ask yourself, what are my strengths? What am I passionate about? What experiences set me apart? Your UVP is the intersection of these elements. For example, if you're a fitness coach with a knack for making complex science simple, that becomes your differentiator. Craft a clear and compelling message that communicates this value. This isn't just about what you do, it's about the unique way you do it. Your UVP is the foundation that guides your brand's tone, content, and interactions. Make sure it's authentic and speaks to the needs of your target audience. Building your online presence. Your online presence is where your brand comes to life. Follow these steps to build it effectively. Choose your platforms wisely. Identify where your audience spends their time. LinkedIn is ideal for professionals, Instagram for visual storytelling, and YouTube for long-form content. Focus on 2 to 3 platforms to avoid spreading yourself too thin. Create high-quality content. Content is king. Share insights, stories, and advice that showcase your expertise and personality. This could be blog posts, videos, or even engaging tweets. Remember, authenticity builds trust. Be consistent. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it. Regular content keeps you visible and top of mind for your audience. Engage actively. Reply to comments, ask questions, and participate in conversations. Building relationships is key to growing a loyal community. Networking and collaboration. Your network is your net worth. Building relationships with other professionals can amplify your reach and enhance your credibility. Here's how. Collaborate on projects. Joint ventures, guest blogs, or co-hosted webinars introduce you to new audiences. Support and share. Promoting others' work builds goodwill and often leads to reciprocal support. Participate in online communities. Forums, social media groups, and webinars are excellent places to connect with like-minded individuals and showcase your expertise. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you, it's about mutual growth and support. Measuring and refining your brand. Success doesn't happen overnight, and a personal brand is always a work in progress. To ensure you're on the right track, track your metrics. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, or email campaign stats to see what's working. Seek feedback. Ask your audience what they find valuable. Constructive feedback helps you fine-tune your strategy. Adapt to changes. The digital world evolves quickly. Stay ahead by learning new skills, experimenting with trends, and adjusting your approach. By consistently measuring and refining your efforts, you ensure your brand stays relevant and impactful. Building a personal brand online is a journey of self-discovery, creativity, and growth. By defining your unique value, establishing an online presence, strategically networking, and constantly refining your strategies, you can create a brand that not only resonates with your audience but also opens the door to endless opportunities. Get started today. Your personal brand is not just your online identity, it's your story, your value, and your impact on the world. So, what did you think of today's video? Be sure to comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, be sure to subscribe, because we look forward to bringing you more valuable videos like this in the future. So, I'll see you in a new video. Have a good day, everyone.